everyone, as October comes to an end, Google surprises the users with the launch of new distributed cloud. It is no surprise that organizations today are looking to accelerate their cloud adoption more than ever. However, due to industry or region-specific compliance, data sovereignty needs and local data processing requirements, their workloads cannot be moved wholly or immediately to the public cloud. But before we dive deeper into how Google's new distributed cloud will alter organizations' experience, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. To ensure these workloads make the most out of the Google Cloud offerings, Google has announced Google Distributed Cloud. Google Distributed Cloud can be operated from several locations depending on the organization's needs, including Google's Network Edge. Customers can access over 140 plus Google Network Edge locations worldwide. Operator Edge. It is designed to handle low latency use cases such as edge applications that demand high latency and bandwidth. Customer Edge provides support for customer-owned edge or remote locations such as retail storefronts, factory floors, or branch offices that require localized computation and processing. Customers' data centers. It provides the ability to address strict data security and privacy requirements and modernize on-premises installations. With Google Distributed Cloud, customers can seamlessly migrate or modernize applications and process data locally with Google Cloud services such as databases, machine learning, data analytics, and container management. Talking about the two products that are part of Google Distributed Cloud. First one is Google Distributed Cloud Edge. Google Distributed Cloud Edge is a fully managed product that brings Google Cloud's architecture and services closer to your data generation and consumption. Google Distributed Cloud Edge enables you to operate 5G core and radio access network operations alongside enterprise apps at edge to support mission critical use cases. Google Distributed Cloud Hosted. Google Distributed Cloud Hosted, which supports public sector customers and commercial enterprises with tight data residency, security, or privacy needs, is designed to execute sensitive workloads and builds on the digital sovereignty vision. Google Distributed Cloud Hosted will be accessible in preview from the first half of 2022. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned with Cloudnology's YouTube channel for more updates on Salesforce innovations and developments. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.